Hello everybody, so today we are going to be playing Press Under Pressure on mobile. I don't think this has been done before. I'll try to crop out the random advertisement at the bottom of the screen and cut out all the scenes where there's an ad. So with that out of the way, let's start. Already? Well, that was not ideal, but we're back, don't worry about it. Press. Same as last. Remember this number 21. Okay, we can remember 21, right? Maybe. What time is it? Happy. Pause press when you see a butterfly. Okay. Stop. Remember this number 20. It was 21 earlier though. 20? What? Do not press. But there's a butterfly. Press once per each word in this sentence. Okay? Oh, come on! Right, that was very annoying and very long, by the way. Not ideal at all. Double press. I think I did double press, I'm not sure. Sometimes it doesn't count for some reason. Press less than once per corner. There is no corner. So what do you mean? Dogs are not even, so we will not press. There are only 3 dogs here. Would you kindly not press? Okay, I can do that. Never press when you see a bug. What do you mean by a bug? Press more than once per each word in this sentence. Yikes. Yikes, yikes, yikes. Yep, we are dead. No, just kill me already. I'd like to start over. This takes too long, by the way. Damn. Okay, we start over. Later. Press. Don't press. So, goodness me. Come on, you take too long. Same as last, even more waiting. You mean even more waiting, don't you? Remember this number 18. Hey, I'm 18 right now. So that's easy enough to remember. Double press. Come on. Oh, come on. Press when you see a button. Press once per each word in this sentence. Do not press, but there's a butterfly, so we will press. Press and hold. Easy enough. Come on. Press when dogs are even. Okay. They were not even last round. Press twice. What was our number? 18, right? Yeah. Yeah, it was 18. Later. Remember this number 59. What the? You can't change upon me like that. Bloody hell. We're back again. Dogs are even. There are 4 dogs. What time is it? Happy time. What's the time? Playtime. Okay, I'm sorry about that. Never press when you see a bug. What what do you mean by a bug? Would you kindly not press? Fair enough. Press if you like jump scares. You know what? Let's do it. God damn it! I don't know how many words there are. Shoot! Yep, you did. Hang on, so how many words is that? Press more than once per sentence in this something. That's 9. That's 9, right? Press more than once per word in this sentence. So I have to press 18 times in that. Okay, I get it. Already? Right, okay, we are back. So do not press. Gosh, who's DMing me at the moment? Stop, please. Press. Same as last. Later. 87, we can remember that, right guys? Press if you are a robot, but we are no robots. Hopefully. I hope I'm a human. I hope you watching are a human. Press when you see a butterfly, okay? Press once per each word in this sentence. Do not press, but there's a butterfly, so we will press. Press less than once per corner. That's a circle. Oh, come on. Right, okay, we are back. Press when dogs are even. Press when dogs are even, okay. Press twice, we can do that. Press less than once per corner. That's a very circle, it's got no corner. That's just a single dog. 1 is an odd number, if I'm correct. Press if you like jump scares. Fair enough. Yep. Happy. Is that even a jump scare, bro? Oops, I pressed 11 times. Ooh. Press once per dog you see earlier. We saw only one dog, right? Remember the number 59? Okay. Keep it in the back of your minds, everybody. Press less than once per... 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right? What happened? Okay, that's going to do it for this video. Thanks for watching, everybody. I guess I'll finally go on prepping for my final board exams. Bye.